changing up the pace again on the takeoff roll, and climbing to our right is the Douglas SBD Dauntless Dive Bomber as we work our way into our Warbird Showcase, courtesy of Sarah Shop right in West Milford. Flying in today's Warbird review, we're going to have a chance to see the Douglas SBD Dauntless, the North American P-51 Mustang,
oh, it's P-51,
the Grumman TBM Avenger, as well as that of the Douglas C-47 Skytrain. Those last three aircraft will be coming to us remote. But I want you to take a look to the left right now as the Dauntless repositions for a pass as we get our other aircraft into the Airshow airspace. The Dauntless was the U.S. Navy's primary dive bomber at the war's start, and it earned a reputation and helped earn victory at the 1942 Battle of Midway. It sank 4 Japanese carriers and went on to have a storied history in the history books of World War II. Today, being flown by Peter of Air Base, Georgia, the commemorative Air Force. We are very pleased to have the Dauntless with us this weekend as part of the 2023 Greenwood Lake Airshow. Dauntless lands out in front of us, coming by for another pass. He's going to try to work his way around and give another go as the Mustang continues to climb high and overhead.